Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. Today now we are in North Bengal trip third part, and now we are in Kalimpong CHANGHA homestay, and you can see that we are taking our lunch. Today in our lunch we have rice, dal, potato fry and potato shak and egg curry. So now you can see that after finishing our lunch we are already ready to go to CHANGHA waterfall because it is a side tour of Kalimpong Kholakam.
They made some bonfire there, no? There is no bonfire.
Okay, this is bye.
Today is 5th April 3:30 p.m. Now we are going to CHANGHA waterfall.
Waiting for CHANGHA waterfalls.
And guys, you can see in my channel I already post this vlog in Bengali, but some of my subscribers who are watching outside from West Bengal, they requested me to make this vlog in English, so I am making this vlog. Our today's destination is CHANGHA waterfall, and it will take almost 20 minutes from our CHANGHA homestay. So guys, you can see we left our car here and we already book our entry ticket, which is 20 rupees per person, and we take 2 sticks and we have already started our journey. And guys, one more thing, who are watching my video from outside West Bengal must come West Bengal and visit this kind of viewpoints. One of them is CHANGHA waterfall, which is in Kalimpong district near Kholakam. Guys, you can see here is a halt because it is almost 1 or 1.5 kilometer. So naturally we feel tired while going to the waterfall. That's why they made this type of halt. So guys, here you can see here is no steps here, and we are almost reached near to the waterfall, and even we can hear the sound of the waterfall. At the beginning of the journey, while taking the sticks, that time I was feeling very embarrassing, but now I can understand what is the use of the sticks.
CHANGHA waterfall. আমরা একদম কাছে থেকে চলে এসেছি। ইভেন ওয়াটারফলের যে সাউন্ডটা খুব ভালো লাগছে, আর আমরা পুরো হাঁপিয়ে গেছি, গায়ে জলের ছিটাও পাচ্ছি। আমার গলা শুনে বোঝা যাচ্ছে প্রচণ্ড হাঁপিয়ে গেছি হেঁটে নেমে এসে। আর এই দেখুন, এরা একদম কাছ থেকে চলে গেছে, কিছু মানুষ প্রায় উত্তেজিত হয়ে নেমেই পড়েছে। আমরা অত দূরে যাবো না, হ্যাঁ ট্রাই নিতে পারি একবার। ভেরি নাইস, আমাদের গায়ে জলের ছেটা লাগছে, ভেরি নাইস। এটা হচ্ছে ছাঙ্গু লেকের ঠিক অপোজিট সাইডের ভিউটা। আপনাকে মাউন্টেন দেখা যাচ্ছে, একদিকে মাউন্টেন আর একদিকে ঠিক তার অপোজিটে মানে হচ্ছে এখানটায় রয়েছে ছাঙ্গু লেক, ছাঙ্গু ওয়াটারফল, নট লেক, ছাঙ্গু ওয়াটারফল।
Very amazing experience, guys. I can't explain how beautiful the natural beauty here. It is very beautiful. So I suggest all of you to come and visit this waterfall. So guys, here you can see our CHANGHA waterfall visit is almost completed. Now we are going back to the homestay. In this halt we will drink some juice and take some rest, and then we will go to our homestay Kashero. Here I want to recommend one thing, that those who will make a plan to visit North Bengal must visit CHANGHA waterfall. And viewers, if you like my video, then please give a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
How many cup tea you taken today?
Almost 6.
No, now.
Now 2. I'm telling about the whole thing.
Huh? How many are these you tell?
2.
Mama take 2 cup, huh?
Nominate.
Yeah, you're right. You go, you study. Where are you now?
I'm nowhere. Even my lady is sleeping. It's sleeping.
So whose room that one?
Mine.
What you are doing there? Let me see.
There. There. Just dancing.
Let me see there.
Coloring. Just dancing and coloring.
Wow.
I have to hold two.
Your room is very good, eh?
This is a little catching.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Now we are in our homestay and just taking our tea, and here is a bonfire. Some people make this. So guys, bye bye and see you with a new video.